Air leaks around windows are hard on your utility bill and your HVAC unit. Finding and fixing leaks is easy with a little weatherization. To get started, you'll need a few basic household tools and some weatherization supplies, including caulk, a caulking gun, and weather stripping. You can get everything you need from your local home improvement store. First, scrape and clean around the windows to remove paint chips, dirt, and debris. The cleaner the surface, the stronger the seal. Now use the caulk and caulking gun to apply a thin bead of caulk between the windowsill and the house siding, like stucco. If this is your first time wielding a caulking gun, here are a few tips to make it easier. Do use the tube cutter that comes on most caulking guns. Cut about 1/4 of an inch from the top of the tube. Don't squeeze the trigger too hard. You'll get more caulk than you need, faster than you can control. Slow and steady to get a 1/8 inch bead. Do wipe the nozzle with a cleaning cloth as you go. This prevents the caulk from building up, clogging the nozzle, or getting too much on an area. Don't use your finger to smooth the caulk. Use a smoothing tool to keep the chemicals off your skin. Do wait for the caulk to dry before removing any excess with a utility knife and/or painting. First, make sure the windowsill is clean. A solution of half water, half rubbing alcohol is a good way to clean and prep the area, especially if you're using self-adhesive stripping. Then measure the bottom of the lower sash and the top of the upper sash. Use these measurements to cut the weather stripping with a utility knife. Then measure, cut, and install the side sashes. When all 4 sides are installed, they create an airtight seal. When your windows are sealed, you're keeping the outside air out and the inside air in. Your home is protected and your HVAC runs more efficiently, resulting in lower utility bills. Learn more at savewithsrp.com.